Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to take a very quick moment to show you how I make a batch of Pink Solution household cleaner. While I do this, I won't cut the film because I really want you to see how quick and easy this is. And then after I make this batch of Pink Solution, I'll talk a bit about why I like Pink Solution and why our household has used it for, I'm thinking, somewhere between 15 and 20 years, but definitely around 15 years. All right, so first let me show you how we make it. They provide instructions on the side here for what they call a heavy mix and for a light mix. Now I typically make something closer to the light mix, but in truth I don't do any measuring. This is what I do. This is what the Pink Solution looks like. It kind of looks like coconut oil because for the most part it is. It's coconut oil and what else? Coconut oil, sodium alginate, sodium carbonate, sodium silicate, and sodium tallowate, if I'm seeing that and reading that correctly. So here's the thing. You grab just a little bit of this. I'm going to use about that much. And then I'm going to pour, carefully, I'm going to pour some boiling water on that. And then I just mix it up. Mix it up until you don't see any solid pieces. Hopefully there is a few solid pieces here so you can see what I mean. See those couple of solid pieces floating around? Well, we just want to give it enough time, and that should be enough, where there are no more solid pieces. It's all liquid. And they say that once it becomes liquid, it will not become solid again. If you understand why that is, leave me a comment below. I'd love to understand why that is. Now, after that, I just add some cold water. We happen to have reverse osmosis water here. So I add some cold water. And then I just, we have these reusable spray bottles that we got from, I don't know, some hardware store. And then I'm just going to split this between both of these bottles. This bottle already has a little bit in it, so maybe I'll give it a little less. Good enough for that one. And then some more reverse osmosis water. I mean, if I weren't making the video, I would just hold this right underneath the tap. But that is as quick and as simple as it is. We'll get a little bit of kind of foam on the top there. Oh, family coming home. But there you go. That's all there is to it. No fancy measurements. Just melt a teaspoon or so of that solution and then add cold water to it, and there you go. We've done this for a couple of decades now, and it works really well. My wife and I first discovered Pink Solution when we visited the Windfall Ecology Festival in Newmarket many, many years ago. And what attracted us to it was how ecologically and environmentally safe it is. I mean, look at this. It's completely natural, non-toxic, biodegradable. There are no dyes, no perfumes, no phosphates, no sulfates. It's even safe for septic systems. The other reason we love Pink Solution so much is because it allows our household to reduce our consumption of plastic. This one container of Pink Solution, which we have had for years, can make about 160 bottles of household cleaner. The final reason we love Pink Solution is because, as they say, it cleans like nothing else. And I personally support that claim. I'll tell you one little anecdote. This is the Pink Solution pumice. When you buy Pink Solution, it often comes with a container of this. If we take a look at it here, it's this kind of very thick, gritty pumice. Now, this container is the original container that we got with our very first purchase of Pink Solution. It is so old that the plastic container itself is starting to break down and crack apart. And for that reason, air has gotten in there and the pumice has shrunk down over the years. Here's a new container of pumice. We've never opened it. We've never had to use it because this stuff lasts for so long. Now here's my little anecdote. Years ago when we first got Pink Solution, we had a fumigation hood. Not this one, but the one that used to be here. And that fumigation hood had so much grime on it, so much oily grime, that nothing could get it clean. I tried absolutely everything. Well, one day we got Pink Solution and I tried the pumice on it, and it finally got that fumigation hood sparkling clean. And so I believe Pink Solution when they say it cleans like nothing else. So there you go, Pink Solution. It's safe for you, it's safe for the environment, it helps us cut down on our consumption of plastic, and it really does clean like nothing else. Hey, if you liked this video, then click that like button, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything going forward.